Okay, so almost done. I got everything roughly in place, got the transmission together, and just basically just finishing up bolting it back in the truck. So all new bearings in the transmission now. Should last a lot longer. And yeah, my truck's almost done. So I still haven't found my proper tools that came with the truck. Since I moved from my old house to this new one, they're packed away in a box somewhere. But luckily, um, a lot of these parts you can use other tools. Like there's a special wrench that goes in here to tighten these. There's a pivot ball inside here. And this little retainer screw right here, it's got these little teeth on it. And there's a special wrench that fits on there. But if you don't have the wrench, all you need is a 5mm Allen key and it fits right in the center. So for all these new axle carriers, what I like to do is I tighten it up and then I just slack it off enough that there's no play with the ball, but it'll allow it to move. If you tighten them right tight, it goes so tight, snug against that pivot ball that it stops it from moving. So I want the movement, but I don't want play. So the top is good, the bottom is still a wee bit loose. So I'll do the same on the bottom, just to make sure, tighten it up and then slack it off just a little. And then I just got to put the little rubber inserts back in and we're done. So all I basically have left now is these battery covers. I don't know if you can see it there, but she's split right there. And I bought a brand new set, so I just gotta swap them out. It's real easy, just 3 screws. And there we have it, second battery covers on. So just left with the tires now. And like I said, I can't find half the dang tools that came with this truck. So to put the tires on, all I use is a 3/8 drive ratchet and a 17mm socket. So almost done. Just putting the last tire on now, and that's it. She is good. So that's pretty much it for my Summit repairs and upkeep. This thing is pretty much begging me to hit the trails now.